It is Friday, and today we are going to move into the editing process in our writing process. So, we have done the pre-writing stage, the drafting stage, the revising stage, and today we're moving into the editing stage. Now, this is typically when you have a peer at school edit your paper, and then you come to Miss Cantrell and we have a one-on-one conference to go over all of your ideas and your spelling. So, since I'm not there with you, which makes me so sad, here are some options. You can either have mom or dad or grandparents or an older sibling who's in middle school or high school read over your writing and have them mark any changes that they think need to be made. Make sure that you are sitting with them and that you are going through each of the changes, okay? Because it's important that you learn them and why things are being changed. The second option is that we can have a one-on-one conference and you can send a photo of your rough draft to me, or if you typed it, you can screencast this. And you can make sure that I'm there with you to help you edit and go through the editing checklist in order to look at all of your pieces. Now, here is an easy way to remember what you need to look for when you are editing. This is an acronym called COPS, and it stands for capitalization. Did you start your sentence with capital letters? If you have any proper nouns, the name of your animal, the place where your animal lives, are those capitalized? O stands for organization. Sentences and words are spaced correctly. P is punctuation. Do you have the correct end marks? Do you have commas or semicolons? And S is for spelling. Check your spelling. Now, it's important for you and moms and dads to remember that you are most likely not going to spell everything right, and that's okay. However, you do need to spell words that you already know correctly. That means, should we be spelling the name of our animal and its habitat and any of its features the right way? Yes, we absolutely should, because what we can do is we can easily go back into each of the articles and see how to spell those different things. If we are an expert on something, is it going to look very good in an informational report if we don't even know how to spell our animal's name? No, that wouldn't be very good. So what we need to do is we need to make sure that we have those spelled right. Make sure your handwriting is neat and easy to read, so that whoever is editing your paper can make sure that it is the best that it can be. This step is very important. So make sure that you're going through all of these COPS steps so that you have the best paper that you can have. Because tomorrow's Saturday, next week, we are going to be publishing our drafts, and it's going to be important that we have all of these pieces together so that it's the best paper that we can have, and that way publishing is even easier, so that next week we can literally just copy what we have been doing, okay? All right, so we're going to go ahead and do editing today, and let me know if you'd like to have a one-on-one conference to go over some of these pieces. Have a great Friday and have fun editing.